Imagine turning your credit card into a money-making machine. Sounds too good to be true, right? We often view credit cards as a tool for spending, a convenient way to pay for goods and services. But what if I told you that there's more to it than meets the eye? That a credit card, when used wisely, can be a source of income? The common misconception is that credit cards only lead to debt. That's like saying a car only leads to accidents. Yes, if driven recklessly, a car can indeed lead to accidents. Similarly, reckless spending on credit cards can lead to debt. But if you drive responsibly, a car can take you places. And if you use a credit card responsibly, it can actually make you money. So let's debunk the myth and unveil the power of credit cards. Stay tuned to discover how you can leverage your credit card to generate income. First, we need to comprehend the basics of credit cards. Imagine a credit card as a sort of short-term loan. When you swipe your card, the bank pays the merchant on your behalf. At the end of your billing cycle, you're expected to pay back the bank. Unlike debit cards, which withdraw money directly from your bank account, credit cards let you borrow money up to a pre-established limit. This limit is set based on your creditworthiness, which is essentially a measure of how likely you are to repay your debts. Now, let's talk about credit limits. Your credit limit is the maximum amount you can borrow at any given time. It's like having a personal loan that's always available to you. But remember, just because you have a high credit limit doesn't mean you should max it out. In fact, it's best to only use a small portion of your available credit. Doing so can help improve your credit score, which can make you more attractive to potential lenders down the line. Next, let's discuss interest rates. When you don't pay your balance in full by the due date, you'll start to accrue interest on the remaining amount. This interest is calculated based on your card's annual percentage rate, or APR. The higher your APR, the more interest you'll pay. So it's always a good idea to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid paying interest. Lastly, we'll touch on minimum payments. This is the smallest amount you can pay each month to keep your account in good standing. While making the minimum payment can keep you from incurring late fees, it won't prevent you from accruing interest. So again, it's best to pay your balance in full each month if you can. Now that you have a grasp on credit card fundamentals, let's delve into how you can earn from it. Credit cards are not just about borrowing, they're also about earning. Now let's delve into the world of credit card rewards. You see, every time you use your credit card, you have the potential to earn something back. These rewards come in various forms, the most common being cashback, points, and miles. Let's start with cashback. It's as straightforward as it sounds. For every pound you spend, you get a certain percentage back. For instance, if your card offers 1% cash back and you spend £100, you earn back £1. It may seem small, but over time and with larger purchases, it can add up significantly. Next, we have points. These are typically earned for every pound spent and can be redeemed for a variety of things, from gift cards to merchandise and even travel. Different cards have different point systems, so it's worth doing a bit of research to find out which one suits your spending habits the best. Now let's talk about miles. These are similar to points, but they're specifically geared towards travel. For every pound you spend, you earn a certain number of miles, which can be redeemed for air travel, hotel stays, and more. If you're a frequent traveler, a card that offers miles could be a great fit for you. But how do these rewards translate into real monetary value? Well, let's consider the cashback example. If you spend £1,000 a month on your card and earn 1% cash back, that's £10 back in your pocket every month. Over a year, that's £120. Now imagine if you were earning 2 or 3% back. In essence, credit card rewards are a way to get a return on the money you're already spending. And while they shouldn't encourage unnecessary spending, they can certainly make necessary purchases more rewarding. So, as you can see, every swipe of your card can be a step towards earning rewards. Cashback credit cards are the simplest way to earn money from credit cards. Now that's a statement that piques curiosity, doesn't it? But how does this work? Well, let's dive into the details. Cashback credit cards are a type of reward program where you receive a percentage of your spending back in cash. This percentage can range from 1 to 5%, depending on the card and the type of purchase. Now imagine buying your groceries, paying your bills, or filling your car's tank and getting a slice of that spending back. It's like having a little money-making machine in your pocket. So how do you choose the best cashback credit card for you? The secret lies in understanding your spending habits. Some cards offer higher cashback on specific categories like groceries or gas, while others offer a flat rate on all purchases. If you spend a lot on groceries, a card that offers higher cashback on supermarket purchases could be a great fit. On the other hand, if your spending is spread across different categories, a card with a flat cashback rate might be more beneficial. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you spend £2,000 a month on a card that offers 2% cashback on all purchases. That's £40 back in your pocket each month, or £480 a year. Over 5 years, that's a whopping £2,400. It's like getting paid for spending money. But here's a crucial tip. To truly benefit from cashback credit cards, you should pay your balance in full each month. If you don't, the interest charges could outweigh the cashback you earn. Think of it as a golden rule of credit card use. Pay off your balance in full and reap the rewards without incurring debt. Remember, the key is to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. With that in mind, happy cashback earning. Love to travel? Your credit card can help fund your adventures. Let's dive into the world of travel rewards credit cards and see how they can fuel your wanderlust without breaking the bank. Travel rewards credit cards work on a simple mechanism. You spend on your card and you earn points or miles for every dollar you spend. These points can then be redeemed for a range of travel-related expenses. This could be anything from flights and hotel stays to car rentals and even experiences at your destination. Now, how do you redeem these points for travel? It's simple. Most credit card companies have travel portals through which you can book your travel using your points. Some cards even offer the flexibility to transfer your points to a variety of airline and hotel loyalty programs, expanding your redemption options. The potential savings can be substantial. Imagine flying to your dream destination or staying at a luxury hotel, all paid for with points you've earned from your regular spending. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But remember, the key to maximizing these benefits is to pay your balance in full each month. If you don't, the interest charges could outweigh the benefits of the rewards. In addition to earning and redeeming points, travel rewards credit cards often come with other perks. These can include things like free checked bags on flights, priority boarding, airport lounge access, and even travel insurance. These benefits can make your travel experience even more enjoyable and stress-free. It's important to note that travel rewards credit cards are not one-size-fits-all. Different cards offer different reward structures and perks, so it's essential to find a card that aligns with your travel habits and goals. So with the right strategy, your credit card can help make your travel dreams a reality. It's all about understanding how to leverage your spending to earn rewards, and then using those rewards wisely to get the most out of your travel experiences. Happy travels! Now that we've explored the world of earning with credit cards, let's summarize the key points. We've learned that credit cards offer more than just a convenient payment method. They hold the potential to generate income and rewards. We started by understanding the basics of credit cards, how they work, and how to use them wisely. We then delved into the realm of credit card rewards and how these can be a lucrative source of income if used correctly. We discussed cashback credit cards, which give you a percentage of your spending back, and travel rewards credit cards that earn you points for flights, hotel stays, and more. The importance of paying off your balance each month was stressed to avoid interest and maximize these rewards. Remember, with the right strategy, your credit card can become a powerful tool to generate income and rewards. It's time to make your credit card work for you.